watched one day. Yo, can't believe though. Leaned here sitting on the couch, eating food. I went to the bathroom, came back down, can't believe it. Yo, she ate my chicken. She ate my chicken. I cannot believe that she fucking ate my chicken. She ate my chicken. She ate my chicken. I cannot believe that she fucking ate my chicken. Okay. You think she's already eating my fucking food? She said that she cannot even fit inside the sewer too. Niggas cannot fuck with me. Niggas always talking shit. I cannot believe that this fat chick ate my food. I'm so pissed off right now. Honey got a chicken, now it's gone now. I cannot believe, I'm so fucking pissed. This girl ate my food. What a fucking bitch. I cannot fucking believe this girl ate my snack. This girl's always in my room with my cereal, man. She probably ate the box, cause I can't find that too. What the fuck, man? Put this shit on YouTube. Oh my